Alright, let's talk about how you can start investing with just 20 bucks a week. Yep, only 20. No trust funds, no lottery wins, just what you can set aside from your weekly budget. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does $20 a week even make a difference? The answer is a loud yes, and I'll show you how. Imagine, every week you skip a couple of fancy coffees, or maybe eat at home instead of grabbing takeout. That's your $20. You set it aside and you invest it, consistently. The magic word here is consistently. Let's get into the numbers. If you invest $20 a week, that's $1,040 a year. Now, let's say you do this for 30 years, and your investments grow at the average S&P 500 annual rate of about 10%. Ready for this? Your $20 a week could turn into more than $180,000. That's right, $180,000. And your total contribution over those 30 years? Just $31,200. The rest? That's the power of compound growth. Your money is working while you sleep, while you work, while you live your life. And you don't need to be a financial genius to get started. Pick a broad market index fund, automate your weekly investment, and let time do the heavy lifting. I know, watching your account grow can feel slow at first. You might even wonder if it's worth it. But trust me, staying consistent is the secret sauce. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. And here's the real magic. It's not just about the money. It's about starting a journey toward independence, building habits that give you more options, more freedom, more control over your future. So don't wait for the perfect time or a bigger paycheck. Start with what you've got today. Because the best investment you can make is in yourself, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like, and let me know how you're starting your investing journey. Remember, it's the small steps done consistently that lead to big results. Financial freedom is possible, 1 week and one $20 bill at a time. If you're ready to start your journey toward financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and join me here on Freedom Through Investing. Let's build wealth and freedom together. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing.